In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel the daily journal feature in Evernote. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed with automatically created notes cluttering your Evernote workspace, this guide will walk you through the simple process of disabling that function. Whether you're trying to tidy up your digital space or just streamline your note-taking, turning off this feature can give you a fresher, more personalized experience with Evernote. To get started, let's dive into your Evernote application. The first thing you're going to do is head over to Settings. This is your central hub for all the customization and configuration options that Evernote offers. It's where you get to really tailor the application to suit your needs. Now, once you're in Settings, look for the Preferences section. Preferences are where you manage how Evernote behaves and looks, so getting familiar with this can really enhance your productivity and efficiency with the app. Within Preferences, you will find a part labeled Templates. This section controls how notes and templates behave within Evernote, including those daily notes that some of you might be finding a bit excessive. Now, within the Templates section, you're going to see an option labeled Automatically create a note each day. This is the feature that triggers Evernote to generate a new daily journal note each day, neatly adding it to your collection. While this feature can be useful for regular journaling, it's not for everyone, and it's perfectly fine to prefer a more manual approach to starting your day. To disable this, all you need to do is locate the box right next to this option and simply uncheck it. That's it. By unchecking this box, you're instructing Evernote not to create these automatic daily notes. From this point forward, you'll no longer have an unexpected note popping up each day. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can stop the daily journal feature from adding notes automatically to your Evernote. This should help reduce clutter and make your note management a bit easier. Remember, Evernote is a tool meant to work for you, so customizing it to fit your personal workflow is always a good idea. If you have any questions or need another guide on customizing features in Evernote, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy a more streamlined experience with your digital note-taking.